I met my husband in 1949-50 in Jerusalem. We were on quite well-known the Machon L'Matrachei Chutz La'aretz. We were youth leaders in training. I came from Young Judea, Yehuda Tzayir, and he came from Habonim, and we intermarried. Anyway, that was such a euphoric time in Israel. 49-50, very tough time. A lot of immigrants coming, but I mean, we made it. There was a Jewish state. I mean, it was the most exciting thing that happened to us, and I think we sort of fell in love with Israel and fell in love with each other at the same time. My husband also fell in love with the University of Chicago. He's an anthropologist and a very good one, and is concentrated very much on Israel as the source of his anthropology and his studies. The war, the 73 war, really scared us. That was the war that really found us a little paranoid. We were living in two worlds, and then we said, enough already, we're still young enough, we can do it. Packed up our stuff and the kids and came back to Israel. And we've been there ever since. For better days were the early days, worse days are the last many years.